The Trenker 1860 is a top-tier heavy-duty machine known for its power and durability. This massive piece of equipment is designed to perform efficiently, even under the toughest conditions. With its powerful engine and advanced technology, the Trenker 1860 excels in large-scale excavation and trenching operations. The Valmet 941 is a powerful forestry machine designed for high efficiency in tough forest conditions. With its robust structure and advanced hydraulic system, it provides excellent performance in tree cutting and collecting tasks. Its spacious cabin offers operators comfortable usage, and its high fuel efficiency makes it both durable and economical. A symbol of power and reliability in the forestry industry, the Valmet 941 is a giant that lightens the load of the work. The mechanism of wood chipping machines is also intriguing. Large branches placed into the machine are fed towards the cutting blades by a powerful lifting and feeding system and are shredded within seconds, then collected in the container at the back of the machine. This process is carried out quickly and safely. These types of machines play a significant role in urban landscaping and forestry and are used by thousands of workers around the world every day.